Our job is first and foremost educate ourselves, then educate our sellers, set expectations when it comes to everything that is happening right now. If you have a seller that is not motivated to price it aggressively from day one, but they're motivated in general, it's okay to take the listing that is a little bit overpriced with the expectations, and ideally you want to have that in the listing agreement, that every 2 weeks you will do the price improvements or price adjustments, all right, according to what is the market showing to us. Okay, but those expectations have to be set, guys, because the last thing that you want is to list the property. Okay, you have a seller who's thinking he still can't get a price from 2021, maybe 2022, January, February. Okay, and that's not really the case. You wasted time, you wasted money, you wasted energy, and nothing came out of it. So try to use this strategy and these tactics. It worked for me for many years before even the boom over the last 2.5 years, when you just list something, list the property, and you get multiple offers on it. Doesn't matter for how much. Things are different right now. We got to get better, guys. And again, set and manage those expectations with the sellers.